Stop scrolling. If you're only going to treat yourself, or someone special, to one beauty box this festive season, make it count. The Face the Future Festive Sparkle Edit isn't just a box, it's a treasure trove of top-tier skincare and haircare, promising a radiant glow that lasts far beyond the holidays. With the holiday shopping frenzy in full swing and deals seemingly popping up everywhere you look, it's easy to get overwhelmed. That's why we're cutting through the noise to spotlight a truly exceptional beauty box, the Face the Future Festive Sparkle Edit. And trust us, this one is so good, we don't expect it to stick around for long. Beauty boxes have become incredibly popular this year, and for good reason. They make thoughtful Christmas gifts for friends, family, or any beauty enthusiast in your life. Plus, they offer a budget-friendly way to discover a range of new formulas and brands. These boxes are packed with high-value products without the exorbitant price tag you'd usually expect. Think of it as a curated selection of luxury, delivered right to your door. What makes the Face the Future Festive Sparkle Edit so special? Let's dive into what makes this particular beauty box a standout. While the Face the Future Festive Sparkle Edit comes with a slightly higher price tag than some other options on the market, at £219.99, you're essentially investing in a collection of premium, top-shelf brands. But here's where it gets really exciting. The box boasts a total value of a staggering £1,150. That's a massive 81% saving. Need we say more? This isn't just a good deal, it's an amazing deal. Worth £1,150. Inside this meticulously curated edit, you'll discover a dazzling array of 25 skincare and haircare products from some of the most sought-after names in the beauty industry, from Augustinus Bader, known for its cult favorite creams, to MZ Skin, a brand synonymous with luxury and innovation. Whether you're looking to explore a new lineup of brands or simply treat yourself to some well-deserved pampering this festive season, this box has you completely covered. It's like having your own personal spa day, packed into a single, beautifully presented box. A sneak peek inside, what's included? Curious to see what treasures await you inside the Face the Future Festive Sparkle Edit? We've compiled a list of the beauty box's high-end contents, and it's luxurious from start to finish. Prepare to discover an assortment of quality products from renowned brands, including Chapman, a facialist to the stars, NEOM, experts in aromatherapy and well-being, and La Roche-Posay, a dermatologist-recommended brand for sensitive skin. Here's a glimpse of what's inside. Monpure Hydrate and Soothe Scalp Serum 50 ml. Rodial Vit C Booster Drops 31 ml. Augustinus Bader The Rich Cream 15 ml. Chapman Ultimate Cleanse 20 ml. Chapman Overnight Facial 5 ml. Avant Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream Tube 50 ml. Innersense Mini Harmonic Treatment Oil 29 ml. Percy and Reed I Need a Hero. Wonder Balm Hair Primer 75 ml. MZ Skin Bioplacenta Stem Cell Serum 50 ml. Decree Treat Tincture Daily PM Serum 30 ml. Dr. Levy Fire and Snow 5-Day Duo, 5 sachets. OSKIA Rest Day Comfort Cream Microbiome and Barrier Support 15 ml. Amex Renew Me Sheet Mask with Peptides and Collagen. FUL Gloss and Shine Cream 100 ml. NEOM Perfect Night Sleep Travel Candle. Beautipro 1X Warming Eye Mask. Allies of Skin Molecular Silk Amino Hydrating Cleanser 100 ml. Dr. Vegan Debloat and Detox Supplement 60 capsules. Coors Santorini Grape Smoothing Body Milk 40 ml. Gatineau Golden Glow Gradual 10 75 ml. IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara Deluxe Sample. La Roche-Posay Anthelios 15 ml. Sigma Jewels Eyeshadow Palette 9 Pan Plus Brush. Bioderma Sebium Purifying Active Foaming Gel 45 ml. Face the Future Virtual Consultation. If the Festive Sparkle Edit alone isn't quite enough to satisfy your beauty cravings, you might want to consider the Festive Sparkle Edit and Hair Repair Edit bundle, worth £1,306. It's the ultimate indulgence for hair and skin. Where can you buy it? The Festive Sparkle Edit is available to purchase right now on the Face the Future website. They offer free standard delivery within 2 to 5 working days, so you won't have to wait too long to start enjoying your new goodies. For those who need their beauty fix even faster, you can opt for priority special delivery for £7.99, which guarantees next-day arrival for orders placed before 2 p.m. Act fast, this deal won't last forever. While we can't say exactly how long this beauty box will be available, given that it's a festive special, we highly doubt it will be around for an extended period. The combination of high-value products and luxurious brands makes it an incredibly desirable option leading up to the holidays. So, if you've got your eye on this edit, we strongly recommend adding it to your basket before it's too late. Don't miss out on the chance to treat yourself, or someone you love, to a truly exceptional beauty experience this Christmas. A final thought, beauty boxes are often seen as a great way to experiment with new products. But here's the part most people miss. It's also a fantastic way to build a complete skincare routine without breaking the bank. What are your favorite products and brands to try in beauty boxes? Do you prefer skincare, haircare, or a mix of both? Let us know in the comments below.